Okay, so what's for dinner tonight? Well, I'm sure you've heard the expression, it's breakfast all day at some restaurants, breakfast all day. So tonight I decided to have some pancakes. I made some awesome pancakes in this Excalibur. Thank you. Big shout out to Joe, my son-in-law. He bought this as a gift for my wife and me, and it's an awesome machine. We really like it. So I made 9 pancakes, and very simple. Bananas, I used, I think, about nine bananas, and I put some vanilla in there, and the only other thing I put in there, I put in like 4 scoops of psyllium husks, which made them a little more fluffy. And I made some raspberry sauce or raspberry jam, homemade. Okay, there's that one cake. I took this one out a little early. I wanted to enjoy one so bad. And then here's my raspberry sauce made with, I use frozen organic raspberries with 1.5 bananas and 5 dates. That's my sauce. So now I'm just going to spread this sauce on my cake, and I am good to go. So, have a good one. If you have a dehydrator, try this. It's an awesome, awesome recipe. Please subscribe to the channel, post any questions or comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you right away. Thanks so much, and remember, fruit up, baby, get those carbs.